Hello friends, it's Suzanne here. Welcome to my annual series called Crafting at the Lake House. And as you can see, the attendees at this event enjoy a breathtaking view of the Okanagan Lake in Kelowna, BC, Canada, while crafting all day long. We created 12 holiday projects this year, and I'm going to share them all with you. But first, I wanted to give a shout out to all the attendees this year because without their support, I couldn't put on an in-person event like this. I also want to thank my events team, Kathy, Maggie, and Paul. Their combined help made the event run smoothly, and I am so lucky to have such an amazing team. Now, if you would like a how-to PDF of today's card, there's a link in the description box below, and you can see all the supplies I used today listed below as well. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So how about we get started with the cards? Hello friends, welcome to card 11 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. We've only got this card and one more card and then we're done. So I am featuring the Frozen Edges stamp set. I didn't get too much use out of the dies, but the stamp set, holy cow, have I ever created quite a bit using them. So I have Pretty Peacock ink here, and I'm inking up my snowflake stamp, and I am stamping down on Coastal Cabana. And it's funny because I forget about stamping on colored cardstock. I find that I'm always stamping on white and I'm not stamping on colored cardstock, and this is a good reminder that you can make a beautiful layer with colored cardstock, and then we're going to frame it with that piece of basic white. So I've stamped a couple of different areas here, and I am going to, this is like a whole layer card, like there's lots of layers. So this would be a great card if you're a demonstrator and you wanted to share it with a class, and it's also very simple, so not a lot of fussing. You don't have to wait for the ink to dry. It's a pretty simple layering card, but there's lots of components and it's super fun. So I adhered this Coastal Cabana cardstock to the basic white, very thin border, but what you're going to notice is that it's going to pop from the Pretty Peacock cardstock that is our base. So as you can see here, and the Pretty Peacock ink just looks divine on that Coastal Cabana cardstock. So I have here the icicle stamp, and I inked it up with Smoky Slate, and then I stamped it off. This is called a generational stamp, or like second generation stamp or something. Anyway, you stamp off the ink so you get a lighter impression. So I put the icicles on the top, and then I inked up with my Pretty Peacock. So I'm bringing that color back in, and I'm stamping the sentiment, and it says, what does it say? It says, snuggle up and hope for snow, which is kind of poignant with the snowflakes. So here I have Pool Party. It's a very light blue ink, and I inked up the single snowflake out of this stamp set, and I stamped it 3 times. So that's like my embellishment. So this basic white piece will get put on the Pretty Peacock piece, and then I'm going to adhere it all with dimensionals onto the front of my card base. And that, my friends, is the card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section, or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. There's a sale going on right now, so make sure you pop in and see the seasonal sale. It's done tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.